The health benefits of green tea. Antioxidant boost. How awesome green tea is for your body. It's like a superhero because it's packed with antioxidants. These special things, called catechins and polyphenol, work hard to fight off the bad stuff in your body called free radicals. Imagine green tea as your tasty shield against these little troublemakers. Heart health benefits. Packed with antioxidants like catechins that reduce the risk of heart diseases. These antioxidants protect blood vessel linings, reducing the chance of blood clot formation. Regular consumption is linked to lower LDL cholesterol levels, promoting a healthier lipid profile. Green tea is associated with lower blood pressure, supporting optimal cardiovascular function. Its anti-inflammatory properties further contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Fat loss. Green tea is often recognized for its potential in supporting fat loss. It is believed to boost metabolism and enhance fat burning. The combination of catechins and caffeine in green tea may contribute to increased fat oxidation during exercise. Moreover, the beverage has been associated with improved insulin sensitivity, potentially aiding in better blood sugar control and reducing the likelihood of fat storage. While green tea is not a standalone solution for fat loss, incorporating it into a balanced diet and exercise routine may offer supportive benefits for those aiming to manage their weight effectively. Brain health. The caffeine and amino acid L-theanine in green tea can have synergistic effects, promoting improved cognitive function, alertness, and mood. Some studies suggest a potential protective role against age-related cognitive decline. Reduced cancer risk. While more research is needed, some studies suggest that the antioxidants in green tea may help protect against certain types of cancer by inhibiting the growth of cancer cells and reducing the risk of certain cancers. Improved dental health. Green tea has antibacterial and antiviral properties that may contribute to improved dental health. It can help reduce the growth of harmful bacteria in the mouth, potentially leading to improved breath and a lower risk of infections. Type 2 diabetes management. Some research indicates that green tea may improve insulin sensitivity and regulate blood sugar levels, potentially reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Affordable protein picks. Protein is vital, even on a budget. In this section, we'll uncover affordable protein sources that won't strain your financial resources. From plant-based proteins like lentils and chickpeas to budget-friendly animal proteins, we'll ensure you meet your protein needs without compromising on nutrition. Moreover, the presence of L-theanine, an amino acid, contributes to a calming effect, promoting relaxation and mental clarity. With its natural polyphenol and other bioactive compounds, green tea is a versatile elixir that not only invigorates the senses but also nurtures overall well-being. Green tea is a refreshing and beneficial addition to a healthy lifestyle.